Hello students, today we are going to discuss about map pointings. Or the list of the map pointings of class 12. As you all already know that we are having two books, India People and Economy, and one is the Fundamental of the Human Geography. So from both the books we will get 5 marks map pointing. Now 5 marks will come from the map of India and the 5 marks map pointing will come from the world map. So in case of the India People and Economy, the map of India will come, and here you need to locate and label the map. In the question paper it will be mentioned that locating and labeling only on the outline political map of India. It means that an outline political map of our country will be given to you during the examination and the questions will be written and you need to mark those things in the map. Up to the pre-midterm, we have completed the unit on the chapter number 1 to 4 from unit number 6 and 7 of the book India, People and Economy. And from those chapters, whatever maps will come, that maps you need to practice for your pre-midterm examination. The state with highest level of urbanization, the state with lowest level of the urbanization. The state with highest level of the urbanization is Goa, and the state with lowest level of the urbanization is Himachal Pradesh. You need to mark these things in the outline political map of India. You can see this one, the state with highest level of urbanization is Goa. You need to mark the Goa if the question will come. The state with lowest level of the urbanization is Himachal Pradesh. You need to mark Himachal Pradesh where the lowest level of the urbanization is there. Now, one state with highest level of the HDI, one state with lowest level of the HDI. The state having highest level of the HDI, you all know it is the Kerala, and the state having lowest level of the HDI, it is Goa. Now you can see over the state with lowest level of the HDI, it is Chhattisgarh. In case of the state having highest level of the HDI, it is Kerala. You need to mark the Kerala in the map, and as well as state with lowest level of the HDI, it is Chhattisgarh, and you need to mark the Chhattisgarh in your map. Now the next question is there from this chapter, state with higher level of the population density and state with lowest level of the population density according to 2011 census. So already we know that state with highest level of the population density is Bihar, and the state with lowest level of the population density is Arunachal Pradesh. Now the state with lowest level of the population density, you can see this is the Arunachal Pradesh, and the state with highest level of the population density, it is Bihar. So in this way you need to mark in the map. Now the next thing that we are having, that is the any city with more than 10 million population, that is the Greater Mumbai, then Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore. So you need to mark these places in an outline political map of India. The cities which having 10 million plus population, Delhi, Greater Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai and Kolkata. These all are the cities where we are having more than 10 million population. Now up to this much will be coming in your pre-midterm examination, chapter number 1 to 4. Rest the chapter, unit number 8, which having chapter number 5 to 9, where you have seen the leading producing states of rice, wheat, cotton, jute, sugarcane, tea and coffee. Then we are having the mines, iron mines, the manganese mines, copper, bauxite, coal mines, oil refineries, iron and steel plant, cotton textile industry, software technology parks of India. And from the unit 9, chapter number 10 to 11, we are having the transport, seaports, international airports. And from chapter number 12, we don't have any map. Now the next 5 marks map pointing will come from the world map. In the world map, we don't have locating and leveling, we are having identification only. The dash will be given and we need to identify. From chapter number 1, there is no map pointing. Unit 2, chapter number 2 to 4, we need to do the map pointing of the largest country in each continent in terms of the area. That means in the pre-midterm examination For pre-midterm examination, we need to do this one, the countries in each continent in terms of the area. Unit number 3, chapter number 5 to 7, we are having the primary activity and commercial livestock rearing, extensive mixed farming, this kind of the map pointing. From secondary activities, we are having the Silicon Valley, Ruhr region, Appalachian region and all, as well as we are having the transcontinental railways, major seaports, major airports of the world, and as well as the mega cities of the world. So this is the entire list of the map pointing.